Anchor issues. What do you do in the morning?
You was a daddy because you was a baby black because you was a daddy. That's what she'd say if she was a daddy.
You're not doing it right. You're supposed to say what they want you to say, like if you were a daddy or a mommy. Try it again. See everything that you see that's blue. Talk as fast as you can.